Hey guys, this is Andrew for TradingSenses.com. I've been working as a professional trader for the past 6 years in Hong Kong, and right now, guys, I'm doing YouTube videos because I want to pass the knowledge. I want to show you guys all the different tools and techniques that I like to use that are working for me, and I want to show you how to use it yourself. So if you want to know about all this stuff and basically how to make money on the markets, you guys are in the right place. So today I want to make an update on Gamestop. Let's get into it. So I did a few videos, guys, on GameStop, and I was telling you basically that I was very bullish, that I see the price action probably going higher and probably going to 800. But in this video, I want to show you guys how to use the MACD, the volume, trend lines, and moving averages on the short term to set up your trades. Because I think we're going there. I'm going to do other videos on the long term. I'm going to show you guys how I use Fibs and Elliott wave theory to actually find this bullish targets and to build up my view. So guys, don't forget to click the sub, like, and bell button so you're going to be the first to know when I upload this new video. But today, let's stay on the short term. I am on the hourly time frame, and guys, I want to show you here how you can actually set up some trades if you want to capture this moves up. If you are not long yet, there are some beautiful trades, easy trades that you can here do and make some quick money. So for example, first thing is that you need to spot some support levels. So you can see here the strong move up that we had from 50. So 50 is a strong support level on the long term. And then we went to this 175 level and we corrected. All right, so for now, the only information you have is that here we had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 10 hours of consolidation around 175. So from then, you already know, guys, that 175 is the next resistance, and that when a resistance is broken, it becomes support. So then you check what is happening here on the 8th of March, guys. 8th of March, hourly time frame, what do you see? You have the confirmation that your level is the right one. Why? Because you have this breakout through the resistance level, and then we retest it and we consolidate 1, 2, 3, 4 hours around this level before blowing up on the upside. So this is telling you that you have 95% of chance that your support level is the correct one and that you're going to find a lot of liquidity, a lot of support at this level. Then the price goes to 350. And what happens, guys? Bam! Get destroyed 50% in a matter of 1 hour, guys. This is insane. Welcome to the new world. But this is what is happening. Here you could have bought it, right? You know, if you are, you have a buying order placed at 175, you would have been executed. We continue. What happens? Then the price action reverts, goes higher and goes lower again. And yesterday, so basically the whole week was bearish, guys. That's true. The whole week was bearish, and once again, 2 hours around 175, and we went higher. So once again, guys, 175 has acted as resistance and then support 4 times, and in a very clean way. So you have a lot of traders that are using this level, and if you're using it too, you're gonna have clean reactions. So it's a very nice level to use to, for example, enter a trade. And look, here you have the 200 period moving average, which is very followed by a lot of investors. And if the 200 period moving average is doing something like this, and the price action is doing something like this, guys, again, you can have a double signal here. You can buy at 175, stop loss at 160, and try to get this whole move up that is gonna come, I believe in it, very soon. Something else that you guys can look at. So this is the first thing. We are bullish because we are above the 200 period moving average. We are above 175. So we are bullish. I want to show you guys something else that is very interesting is the volumes. So you can see here I have put the volumes, and the whole week was bearish. True. The week was bearish, but look at the volumes. What did they do? The volumes went lower. Look at the MACD. the MACD went lower too. So this is the MACD that is here. Okay, so it's a momentum indicator that is showing you the bullishness of the stock you're watching, and you can see that it's not going higher. So basically this means we don't have any divergence. A divergence when you have opposite information coming from the price action and a momentum indicator or the volumes. So it's basically early signals of reversals. So when you have a reversal, so here a reversal would be a change in the trend and to start to be bearish, you would have here usually a divergence. So you would have, for example, the price action going lower with the volume increasing, which means that when the price is actually getting sold, the volume increases. This means that actually we have a shift and that now the bears are in control. We don't see it here. Same for the MACD, guys. So we don't have divergence. I don't think we're going to have this reversal. So I think that 175 is going to hold. One more thing you can see, guys, is that the signal given by the MACD, which is the crossover of the MACD and the 9-day exponential moving average of the MACD itself, that you can see here, guys, the blue line and the orange line, the crossover just happened, guys, on the hourly time frame. All right, it's green. So it's a bullish signal on the short term. So I believe that we're going to have a bullish open tomorrow. And in terms of targets, what can you see here? Same thing, guys. I do my trend lines as I always do. They are working very well, especially on a stock where a lot of traders are using technical analysis like Gamestop. So you can just you connect the two recent highs that you had, and you have here the resistance that is surprise at the same level at the 50 period moving average, around 240, 250. So this is the first resistance that you are going to have. So you can buy at 175. I know you guys don't like to sell, but if you want to lock in some profits, you can sell at 240. I think that we're going to break this one. So I think we might have something like this. Then we break it, we retest, and then we go higher. So if you sell here, it's fine, because if it goes higher, you can still buy again. We're going to have this retest. We had the retest here. We had the retest here. We had the retest here. So we often, almost always have this kind of retest. And then if you sell here, buy here, you don't lose money. You are still long and you can capture the new move up without taking the risk of a downside movement. So this is trading, guys. So that's it for me. I repeat, I'm bullish on the short term. My buying level would be 180, let's say. I would take profits at 240, reload at 240 if we break the 240, 250 level, and then I would see what happens at the 480 level. But once again, guys, my view on the long term is very bullish. I think GME is going to 800. So guys, stay close to shore.